Hey guys, how's it going? I just figured out this cool little trick with the Stream Deck and I wanted to share it. I may be a little behind. I was using Stream Deck years ago, went to Loop Deck, came back to Stream Deck when Loop Deck went under. Anyway, let's dive right in. Here's my Stream Deck and I'll jump over to the app in a minute, but just to show off what I'm talking about. The Stream Deck Plus has these knobs and you can make use of it. I've always been using one knob to switch through all the different profiles or pages of the profiles. But what I didn't know is you could actually load apps. So there's an option called Dial, which if you set it up, it does the same thing like changing the pages. You could have multiple apps on the dial, and then when you click in on the dial, it activates that one app. I thought that was really cool. That opened my eyes to some new setups and whatnot. But let's jump to the desktop so I can show you a little closer up on what's going on here. But yeah, Stream Decks here. They came out with a lot of new Stream Decks lately, these mobile ones. We even have a virtual Stream Deck. But anyway, we're specifically talking about the Plus because we have the knobs that I was just showing you, right? So let me go ahead and close this window. So here's my Stream Deck app. I'm currently in, let's go to my default profile. So in my default profile, this is what we have, right? I'll go all the way to 1 here. I have a couple of different profiles. Again, I have this third dial switching between each one of my pages. That's pretty basic. I always knew about that. It makes you have multiple pages, the only way to make it work. But what I didn't know is about these other ones. Right, so if I double click on my first dial and go in it, we could see that it's called an action wheel, right? And if we go into the action wheel, we want to click on this arrow here, we could see all the actions. So in here, we just have open applications, but we could have anything in here. So in this case, I have this as my shares, so I could share to social and so forth. Actually, it polls my latest YouTube video. It just makes it a little easier for me to post. Anyhow, it just is very convenient. Like I have the other one here I use for my shortcuts for my desktop. So again, if I click in here, you can see open applications. A nice tip for Stream Decks and shortcuts is when you do a shortcut, throw another little tip here. If you come on a shortcut and you right click and go add to dock, it creates a little application, and that application goes down in your dock because I'm running this app. So anyway, you get an icon that jumps down to the dock. If I right click and go to open, show in Finder, these are your shortcut apps. So just reference this app in your Stream Deck. Loop Deck and stuff, you could go straight to the Shortcuts app to do things. It just always works slower. It's always a lot quicker if you do it this way. You create the app from the shortcut and do it that way. Yeah, so again, it's very straightforward, very easy, and it opens up a whole mess of getting to other apps. Like this one is just for all my lights, right? My fan lights. I have a light in my closet that's supposed to be a closet. And I used ChatGPT to create me some little icons. If you see them, that's like a little fan, green. Anyhow, yeah, that was it. That was my thing. We could take a look in here. Okay, so what we want to do is come in here and go action wheel and drag the action wheel down in here, right? And this will create the action here. And then we could erase that and come back in here and just whatever we want to throw in here. Open application, hotkey. So this all makes it scrollable, right? They're all scrollable in here. So when I left and right, they scroll left and right, and then you just press the button in to run it. All right, guys, I hope that helps you guys out. I just wanted to make that quick video. It opened my eyes to a few more things I didn't know was possible with the Stream Deck. If you found it useful, let me know down in the comments below. Until next time, take care.